Hi guys, in this new tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp reconnecting problem easily and fast. So all what you have to do guys is simple, so just don't worry because the problem is gonna be fixed easily and fast. First thing, go to settings and then go to the apps manager and then go to apps. Now search for WhatsApp and click on it. Click on force stop and then go to the notifications management, scroll down and then go to the app, the call notifications right here. Click on it and then disable this banners notification and enable it again. Now all what you have to do is go back, click on this option right here in the top, it's called force stop, and then now all what you have to do is reopen WhatsApp and the problem must be fixed. If it's not fixed, then you may have a problem with your network or Wi-Fi. You should change it. That's it guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.